How to use the Help Me Form a Story feature.
Hello, creators! Welcome to Storio. Have you ever had a story idea but struggled to turn it into a full story plot?
Storio is here to help. Our tool, Help Me Form a Story, is a simple step-by-step way to turn your idea into a plot. First, tell us about your story idea. It can be just any random thought. For example, a Starbucks barista accidentally discovers their latte art can predict the future. Look, here are some great brainstormed ideas the tool helped me come up with.
I'm gonna use the third one.
Oh, right, images can be a great source of inspiration too. For example, here's a picture I found that really spoke to me. Next, you can pick your story's genre. You can choose from our existing options or add your own. Here, I'm gonna go with romance, sci-fi, teen, and adventure. Step 3 is to imagine your main characters. You can describe them yourself, or check out the ones the tool brainstormed based on your previous input. See? This one looks great, so I'm going with it. Then optionally, you can tell the tool about your story's setting, or pick from ours. Think New York 1920s, ancient Egypt ruled by immortal pharaohs, or a cyberpunk megacity. Now you've got all your ingredients. Our tool kicks in. It will generate a chapter-by-chapter outline tailored to your setup. You can revisit and tweak any step along the way, or dive straight into writing using our writer tool. So go ahead, hit that Help Me Form a Story button and let your next great idea actually become a story.
How to Storio.